Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks for visiting Ontario Lakeside. On this episode, we're going to do a couple little projects around the cabin. One, mounting the light fixtures we made in a previous video, and two, cladding the water tank to make it a little less unsightly. I hope you enjoy the video, and thanks for watching. I decided I wanted to hang my lights, just knotted and hanging from a hook on the wall. But instead of using something formal like these examples, I decided just to go out and cut branches from some oaks that we had cut down earlier for firewood. This is our rainwater collection tank. It's been working really well as our sole source of water from the off-grid cabin. It collects off the main roof of the building, and we use this black tarp to keep the sunlight out to keep it from growing algae. The tarps worked really well, but it doesn't look great, as you can see. So I decided to wrap it in wood to make it look more like a wood barrel.
Well,
it really couldn't be a simpler project, but I think the result is way better than what it looked like before. Thanks again for watching. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. If you have a sec to share this with your friends, We would really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time on Ontario Lakeside.